Yesterday we will discuss about balanced diet, nutrient, roughage and water. Today we will discuss about digestion. Digestion is the main process in our body. Food that we eat does not give energy directly to our body. Whatever we eat food, that food does not give energy directly to our body because it gives energy after digestion. Whenever our digestion completed, that after that food give us energy. So digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances that are absorbed by the body. Digestion is a process in which food we eat, whatever we eat, that food go into our body, and that food broken into simple and soluble substance, and that soluble substance absorbed by our veins or blood vessels. That blood vessels transfer our food small form glucose into each and every cell of our body. So let us understand what happened to the body in our food. In whole of the food canal is stretched out a straight line. It would be about 10 meters long. See here, this is our total digestive system. So it is start with mouth and end with anus. So first we will see about teeth, mouth. Mouth contains teeth, tongue, saliva. So teeth help us chew and grind food. Teeth help us chew and grind the food. Food mixed with saliva. Whenever we take bite of food in our mouth, that time our teeth help us to chew and grind the food, and after that food get mixed with saliva, and saliva break into starch of food. Saliva contain glucose form. That glucose form we call it here starch means glucose. So saliva contain glucose, and that glucose contains sugar. So that bite of food mixed with saliva, and it mixed with starch or glucose. Then food enter into our food pipe. This is our food pipe. In scientific language, food pipe called is esophagus. O is silent here, so here we called it esophagus. Food passes through the food pipe to reach the stomach. This food pipe is joined with stomach. Then here stomach. It is like a muscular bag in which food is chewn and mixed with the digestive juices. Our stomach produces some digestive juices like hydrochloric acid and other type of juice, and that juice mixed with our bite of food, and it get here break down into food simple and soluble form. यहाँ खाना जाकर बहुत ही soluble form में तैयार हो जाता है. फिर this is our liver also produce some juices. That juices we call it bile, and it is a help us to digest fat and small intestine. ये the liver produce bile means juice name here, bile juice. Liver produce bile juice, and that bile juice get mixed with our food. Then this pipe enter into small intestine. This is our small intestine. It is a long and coiled tube. See here, यहाँ small intestine बहुत ही long है और ये coiled tube है. It is like a long and coiled tube that produce some digestive juice. Here also produce some digestive juice. This process complete here. Our digestion is complete in small intestine. Small intestine have some blood vessels and that blood vessels absorb our digested food, and that food transfer that food pass through blood vessel to each and every cell in our body. So our digestion is completed here, small intestine. Then here start the large intestine. Sorry, before that here is a blue color pancreas. Pancreas also produces juice in this pipe, and digest carbohydrate, fat and protein in small intestine. So it is also help us for digestion. And then here large intestine start. It hold the undigested food, absorb extra water from it at the faces. It hold undigested food, whatever undigested food that contain large intestine and here absorb water from our food. Undigested food contains some water, that water absorb large intestine. And here anus is a waste particle passed out through it, and whatever undigested food that pass out through anus. So ये हमारा माउथ है, माउथ से हमारी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम स्टार्ट हो जाती है. माउथ में टीथ से पूरा ग्राइंड होकर चबाकर जो सलाइवा में मिक्स हो जाता है, सलाइवा में ग्लूकोज रहता है, फिर ये फूड पाइप के थ्रू स्टमक में आ जाता है. स्टमक में डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस रहता है, उससे वो मिक्स हो जाकर सॉल्युबल हो जाता है. उसमें लिवर सब जूस प्रोड्यूस करता है, फिर पैंक्रियास भी जूसेस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो भी हमारे फूड में मिक्स हो जाता है. फिर वो फूड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आ जाता है. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस रहते हैं और यहाँ ब्लड वेजल्स भी रहते हैं. हमारा डाइजेशन जो रहता है